So as you can see, there's a couple of cameras stationed and some monitors throughout the room. So essentially, we're looking at like hybrid creative collaboration environments. But we kind of put a little bit of a twist on it for tonight to show you guys how it can work in an environment or like a venue like this. So on the monitors, you'll be able to see the AMLOS user interface. So it's all browser based, so we're just running it on the Chrome browser, and it essentially works on top of your existing platform. So if you use Teams, you use Zoom, use Google Meeting, anything like that, all you do is send the link to AMLOS over the chat. It's like Slack or Teams or anything like that. You open it up in your browser and you can see multiple video streams. So what we're looking at is a couple of different video streams of the room, and all these different video streams and still images that are captured are coming from this one camera. So we have a couple different cameras set up in different areas, but everything that you're going to see from each of these setups on the monitors is going to come from one camera. So one camera creates multiple streams and really views into the room, so people who are joining remotely, whether they're from home or offices in different locations, can feel like they're in the same room with you. So you guys can kind of see a quick example of that on the screen. You can see the overall room, you can see a specific area, and let's say a presenter. So that was myself. So just a quick look at how it's going to work, and then throughout the course of tonight, we're going to use it in a couple different scenarios. So for the panel session, you guys will be able to see the whole view of the room, plus the individual speakers as they're going through the panel. During the auction, we'll be able to zoom onto different items. And another cool thing that we can show you guys in that back corner later on in the evening is the camera is also guided by hand gesture control. So what you can do is when you're in the physical room where the camera is, you do hand gestures. So a gesture like that towards the camera will designate it to zoom into something and capture a photo. So for people who are in the space where the camera is, you have flexibility to use a hand gesture to capture images and send those to people joining remotely.